The little stars on the ramp. Once upon a time, in a cheerful town named Sparkleville, a grand kids' ramp show was planned at the big community hall. Colourful lights were set, music filled the air, and everyone was excited for the event. A group of happy little kids, Ria, Arav, Maya, Kabir, and Tia, were getting ready backstage. They were dressed in bright, beautiful clothes made by the famous kids' fashion designer, Shelley. Shelley loved making fun, magical dresses that sparkled, twirled, and made every kid feel like a star. She had worked hard, designing each outfit with love, flower crowns for girls, cool jackets for boys, and shiny shoes for everyone. As the music started, the curtains slowly opened. One by one, the little kids walked down the ramp with big smiles and tiny, confident steps. Ria twirled in her fairy dress, Kabir waved in his smart royal blue suit, and Maya giggled as her dress sparkled under the lights. The audience clapped and cheered loudly. Parents were so proud, capturing every moment with cameras and phones. Then, at the end of the show, Shelley the designer walked on the ramp, holding hands with the children. They all walked together, waving to the happy crowd. Everyone gave a standing ovation. After the show, the kids hugged Shelley and said, "Thank you for making us feel like stars." Shelley smiled and said, "You all are the real stars, kind, confident, and full of joy." Moral of the story: confidence, creativity, and kindness always shine the brightest on any stage.